Today we are going to be looking at multiplication of directed numbers. In my previous video, we looked at the addition and subtraction of directed numbers. So today we are going to be looking at multiplication of directed numbers. So before you can start multiplying using the indirected numbers, there are some things you should know. The first thing we should know is the laws of sign for multiplication. So that is the first thing we should know if you want to succeed in multiplying using directed numbers perfectly. And what are the laws of signs? The laws of sign here is that minus times minus equals plus, plus times plus equals plus, minus times plus equals minus, plus times minus equals minus. Now, by looking at the laws of sign, what do we notice? What we notice here is that anytime you see an identical sign or signs that are the same, look exactly the same, like for example, minus and minus, they must give us a positive result. So for example now, minus times minus equals plus, plus times plus equals plus. What do you observe? You see that the two signs are the same, minus and minus are the same, plus and plus are the same. So when you multiply them, you will definitely get a positive answer or a positive sign. However, signs that are different, let me take that again. Signs that are different will always give us a negative result or a negative answer. For example, minus times plus equals minus, plus times minus equals minus. Why? Their signs are different and the results are negative. What about the ones that have the same signs? Minus and minus equals plus, plus times plus equals plus. If you look at the ones that have the same signs, that is, if the signs are identical, automatically when you find the result, it will always give us a positive answer. So let's quickly dive in by looking at the questions here. The question here says multiply minus 8 and minus 10. So let's start. So number 1, so I will say minus 8 times minus 10. So the first thing we should do is we are going to separate the signs by multiplying it out separately. We say minus times minus, because I can see minus here and I can also see minus. So step 1 is make sure you multiply the sign. So the sign minus times minus will give me what? Plus. Then the next step you take is multiply the numbers only, just the numbers alone, and of which in this case we can call it undirected numbers. So we can say 8 times 10 and the answer is 80. So if I should combine these two with the sign and the figures together, then my final answer will give me plus 80. Let me take that again. The first thing you should do is to multiply the signs. Multiply the signs. Minus times minus gives me plus. Then the next thing I have to do is just multiply the figures alone, just the numbers that you multiply. And 8 times 10 equals 80. So that's how you have plus 80. Let's look at number 2. Plus 12 times plus 7. The same thing, the first thing we should do is what? Separate the signs. So we just say plus times plus, and the answer gives me plus. Can you see? Plus times plus equals plus. Then the next thing you have to do is just to multiply the numbers only. So 12 times 7 is 84. So if I want to combine them, I will have my final answer is going to give me plus 84. But let's look at number 3. Number 3 is minus 4 times plus 9. I'll first multiply the signs. Minus times plus will give me minus. Then 4 times 9, because you are going to multiply the numbers alone, the numbers only. 4 times 9 is what? 36. So Merging this sign and this number together, our answer is going to give us minus 36. And the last one, which is plus 8 times minus 7. First thing you need to do is to isolate or to separate the sign. So we have plus times minus, and it gives me minus. From here, plus times minus equals minus. Then I will multiply these numbers separately. 8 times 7, and it gives me 56. So if I should combine this sign minus and this 56 together, it gives me minus 56. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you subscribe, please don't forget to press the bell icon. So when I post new videos, you'll be among the first set of people that will be notified. Thank you very much.